We'll guide you through how to delete a YouTube video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and for whatever reason, you're wanting to delete a video. Perhaps it's old, or you now find it embarrassing, or you uploaded the wrong video by mistake. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how this is done. So to get started, come to YouTube yourself. Then what you can do is come to the top right. You need to be signed in and click your profile picture. Make sure the correct channel and account is at the top here. You can switch if needed. Then come down the list and press YouTube Studio. Wait for this to load. Now, what you need to do is come over to the left and go and select content, and you can then go and see the videos here. You can go and change it to shorts if needed at the top, and there are other options as well, but we're focusing on videos in this. So now what you need to do is go and find the video that you want to delete. It's slightly different if you want to do just one video or if you want to do multiple. If it's just one video, what you can do is go and hover over it and you'll see a row of options. Go to the fifth one, which says options, and click on it, and you'll see the option delete forever. So do just remember, when you delete this, it is permanent. You won't be able to get it back. So click on it. You can download it so you've got a copy of it on your computer, and you just need to understand that it's permanent and you're going to lose access to audience and video analytics. And you can then press delete forever. If you want to go and delete multiple videos, select them over to the left. Then at the top, you want to go and find the option for more actions and click there, and you can find the option for delete forever. You can then understand that it's going to be permanent and it can't be undone, and select that, and you can then press delete forever, and they'll go and be deleted. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to. Have a great day, and I'll catch you again soon. Goodbye for now.